Get 4 okras. I have here some frozen okras that were thawed, and chop them to pieces. Add to a pot or beaker or whatever you can use to boil it. Then you add some water. What I have here is distilled water. Pour in as much as you want, and then you boil it. Okay. Once it has boiled for about 2 to 3 minutes, bring it down and allow it to cool down for some minutes. Once it is cool, get a blender. In this case, I use the smoothie maker, and then blend it in the blender or smoothie maker. So blend it, and after blending, you can see what it looks like. It forms a thick slimy liquid. Actually, you can make it to be less thicker than this by adding more water, but I prefer my own thick. And then you get a muslin bag. This is a short strip of muslin bag that I got from Food Dehydrators NG. And then I proceeded to strain the mixture to get the liquid from it. And there's the conditioner. So I am going to put it inside an applicator bottle. So you're going to see that it's quite much. In fact, this can last you a whole month if you freeze it down in the freezer. And then voila, that's your... Okay, so here is the okra conditioner that is a home remedy for hair. It's very good for natural hair, especially if you want to soften your hair and condition your hair. It is a very good leave-in conditioner. So yeah, this is it. I prepared it. I put it inside an applicator bottle, and I'm going to show you how I use it for my hair. Okay, so let me lose my hair. I'm going to lose some portion of my hair so I can show you. Okay, there it is. So I'll lose part of my hair. By the way, this is a threading style. It's a very good protective hairstyle, which I learned from Yellow CC. And if you are somebody who has natural hair, or if you plan on going natural and you need inspiration, I suggest you check out her page. She will give you the inspiration you need, because she was the one that inspired me to go natural a few years ago, and I never regretted it. So here, so I'm going to apply it to a portion of my hair. That's my hair. Okay, so let me comb it first, and then I will apply. So now I made mine to be quite thick because I actually prefer the conditioner to be thick. This conditioner is very good for children. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smell, and it can help if you have a child with tough hair, to soften your daughter's hair before you put a comb inside it. Okay, so it leaves your hair very soft and manageable, so you don't even need to rinse it off because it is a leave-in conditioner. Okay, there's my hair. All right, let me put some more. I like to actually saturate my hair with it. The more you put and the thicker it is, the more effective it is as a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so the good thing about it is it makes your natural hair so soft. You can put a comb inside and the comb just comes out like that. Can you see? Okay, so what do? You can put some oil, or you can just simply leave it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid it. And my hair already feels soft. Now I'm doing this tutorial because I just want to show people how good this natural leave-in conditioner is. There are many other alternatives. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this to dry on my hair, and then I'll just, once it's dry, I'll comb it and I'll style it.